Okay, this screencast will show you how to add the attribution to your picture, which just means to give it proper citation, to give credit to the author who took the picture. So in this case, we have our ice cream that originally looked chocolate, now it looks like vanilla. But anyway, okay, so after the image element here, the tag here, the code, I'm going to make a paragraph tag, and we need three things. The first thing is we need the author, whoever took the picture. So right here it says Ches Pim. This is the person's screen name. So I'm going to copy and paste it. You can type it. This is just a little easier for me. If you want to, you can add a little something like image from. I'm going to capitalize this since it's a name. So image by, or image by this person's name from the website. In this case, I believe creativecommons.org is fine. We probably don't have to include the CC search. So I'm just going to type in creativecommons.org. And last but not least, we need to include the copyright. So we can simply copy and paste this and then add our ending tag, and there we have it. Our picture is now properly cited. Another website to use to find pictures is Flickr. So I'm going to show you an example of where to find this stuff if you don't use CC search. So Flickr, let's say I'm trying to find a picture of a cat, and I click on this image. It's very similar. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see who took the picture, who's the author. Sometimes it's down here a little bit more. In this case, it's here. So this would be the author from flickr.com. And here we click on, here's the copyright. So we click on some rights reserved, and it's going to take us to the Creative Commons site. And this is the copyright for here. So I can just copy this and paste it to my attribution in code.org. Okay? If you have any questions, just ask.